Hare Krishna devotees, can you hear me? Is it clear? Hare Krishna.
Yes, Mataji, you are clear.
Thank you so much, Prabhu. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Yeah, I think the live has also come, right?
Yes, it does.
Today, I think from today onwards, every Sunday at 12 o'clock, we will have Vaishnav bhajans. We will be, going through the Vaishnav bhajans para by para and understanding the meaning of each bhajan. Also, a couple of things which we will hopefully know is a little about the deity or the purpose for which they have sung and the mood. The most difficult task for me in life is to, is to chant, is to sing. So I would, taking class was slightly easier, but this is a tough job. So I will try to the best I can. Rest of it, I hope Krishna will chip in. So let's start. Can we just start with Hare Krishna? Just one time we will tell. Yes. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Hare Rama,
Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Manu. Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Hare Rama, Hare Rama,
Rama, Hare Hare.
Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna
Krishna,
Krishna,
Hare
Hare
Hare. Hare Rama, Rama, Hare Hare.
Yeah. Can anyone recognize the DT behind, which is in my DP? I can just close this. So, Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Anybody knows Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya? Okay, nice. Okay, nice. Exactly. Can you, okay, first, easier question I'll ask. Can you tell me from where this DT is? From which place?
Vrindavan.
Sorry?
Vrindavan.
Perfect, Vrindavan. So now you can tell who it is.
Govindji, I don't know. Is it Govindji?
Gopinathji, little one step higher. So
okay.
I am saying one step higher is we have three things, right? What is the purpose we are doing? We have the main idea is your final goal, right? This is Samandha. So basically, you're starting Abhinaya, Prayojan, and some, Samandha. So basically, the final destination, we always call it a final destination. So make it very simple on the first day. Gopinathji is our final destination. That's where we have to go, right? So all three deities, what you all told, are there in Vrindavan, but this one is particularly, we are talking about Gopinathji. So can anyone remember and tell me who used to worship Gopinath? Do you remember anyone who used to worship Gopinath?
Radha Ji.
Sorry?
Radha Ji, na? Radha Ji used to worship Gopinath.
But actually, so sorry, your voice. No, we're not talking about them. I'm talking about the Goswami's time.
Okay.
Very nice. Okay. You're so updated. Flashback, I'm going 500 years back. Okay, it's a little difficult. So Madhu Pandit, who was the, the guru of Madhu Pandit was Gadadhara Pandit. Do you all know who Gadadhara Pandit is?
Is there in the Panchatattva, one of them?
Haribol, yes, Panchatattva. True. So, and whom Gadadhara Pandit is the Amsa of? Radharan. Very nice. And also Jahnavi. Does anyone know who's Jahnavi?
Nityananda's wife.
Haribol. Very nice. Rocking Mataji. Nityananda Prabhu's wife, Jahnavi Mataji, she also used to worship. So now, Mondas Prabhu, can you screen share? Is that?
Sure, I will.
Thank you so much. So today we are going to chant this bhajan. I will try.
Fine, Mataji?
Yeah, Prabhu. Very nice. Thank you so much. And thereafter, para by para, we will see the meanings. Hare Krishna. Gopinath, 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 Mama Nivedana Shuno. Mama Nivedana Shuno. Visai Durjana Sada Kamarata. Visai Durjana Sada Kamarata. Kichunahi Mora Guna. Kichunahi Mora Guna. Gopinath, 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 Amar barsa tumi, Amar barsa tumi, Tomar charane loinu sharana, Tomar charane loinu sharana, Tomar kinko rami, Tomar kinko rami. Gopinath, 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 ke mone shoibe more, ke mone shodibe more, na jani bakati, karme jadamati, porichi samsare gore. Porichi samsare gore. Gopinath, 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 Shakali tomara maya, Shakali tomara maya, Nahi mama bala, Jnana sunirmala, Nahi mama bala, Jnana sunirmala, Swadhina ye kaya, Swadhina ye kaya, Gopinath, 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 Mama nivedana suno, Nama nivedana suno. Gopinath, 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 Tumi to sakali paro, Tumi to sakali paro, Durjane tarite tomara shakati, Durjane tarite tomara shakati, ke ache papira aro, ke ache papira aro. Gopinath, 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 Tumi kripa parabara, Tumi kripa parabara, Jivera karane, Asiya prapanche, Jivera karane, Asiya prapanche, Lila koile shubistare, Lila koile shubistare, Gopinath, 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 Ami ki doshe doshi, Ami ke doshe doshi, Asura sakala pailo charana, Asura sakala pailo charana, Vinodata kilo bosi, Vinodata kilo bosi, Gopinath, 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 Mama nivedana shuno, Mama nivedana shuno. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Come on, please, all of you unmute. Let's just do one time Hare Krishna. Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Krishna,
Hare
Hare
Krishna, Krishna
Krishna,
Krishna, Hare
Hare
Hare,
Hare,
Hare Rama, Hare
Hare
Rama,
Rama,
Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for putting up with me. But the song is a million times better when you hear from a pure devotee. Please go to YouTube and hear. A lot of senior Vaishnavites have sung. Vaishnavis have also sung. So I would request you all to go by that. And let's start off with the meanings, right? So who would like to read the first meaning, first para? Would anybody like to read?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please.
O Gopinatha, Lord of the Gopis, please hear my request. I am a wicked materialist, always addicted to worldly desires, and no good qualities do I possess. Hare Krishna.
Very nice. So the first para, he is telling Mana Nivedana. So basically, this is a Bengali poem. And Gopinath, as I said, is the final destination, right? So we are talking about Sambandha, Abhinaya, and Prayojan, right? So Sambandha established the relationship with the deity. So, and Abhinaya is the process which we follow. So Sambandha deity, we talk about Madan Mohan, right? So that's how we connect. And Abhidaya, we are talking about Govindaji, right? He tells us the process which we have to follow. And the final destination is the Prayojan. So Prayojan is what is it we are going to achieve. So that is what we are talking about. So Gopinath, what are we referring to in Gopinath? This was sung by Bhakti Vinod Thakur in Bengali. And he is referring to himself. So imagine if Bhakti Vinod Thakur he claims that materialist, we know where we are. But why are these songs sung and why are we following them and why we don't follow our own songs? Can anyone tell me why we are not creating our own songs and we are just following the great devotee songs? Hare Krishna. Yes, Dinesh Bhatt Prabhu, please go ahead. Tell me. You all can unmute yourself. There is no correct answer. There is no negative marks.
Come through the parampara.
Yeah, true. One is parampara. But since we are in the parampara now, can we create our own songs? Your one answer is correct. Right now, we are also in the same parampara, right?
Hare Krishna Mataji.
You can unmute, Prabhu. Just 1 second. Yes. Yes, ma, please go ahead. Tell me.
Mataji, it has been sung by the pure devotee from the mouth of, it is coming from the mouth of the pure devotee and the pure feelings are coming. So that is what we have to follow because we are impure. We are not pure.
Very nice. Very nice. Hari bol. So basically we are still materialist, genuinely materialist. Here he believes he's a materialist. So basically for us, we will not have purity of word, mind and soul. So currently soul may be pure, but the soul is not exposed as yet, right? So that's why we are trying to do Cheto Darpana Marjanam. All these are cleansing. A particular song or a shloka, when we sing, what happens is it's like a lot of purification for us. And the book, right? Even when we read so many scriptures, we have to accommodate. So much is actually in one small song, right? Whatever the books and song is something which even if we can't sing, we'll be able to understand. See, of the entire thing, whatever I could read and whatever I could chant, I know I was wrong in the pitch. But when I could sing Hare Krishna mantra or Gopinath, those two words were genuine, right? Even from somebody like me who can't sing, and to all of us who are not very much elevated, still that Gopinath and Hare Krishna is catchy for us, right? So this is what is the purity when we actually follow. But if we create, we will land up concocting also. But thank you so much for the answer. So Gopinath is obviously very dear to gopis, and that's our destination. And therefore we are requesting, he's telling I'm so wicked and I'm so addicted to the worldly desires, so I have no good qualities. He's just giving an introduction. So let's read the next para. Dinesh Prabhu, if you're not able to unmute, you can log out and log in, because I think I have given permission for everyone to unmute. Hare Krishna. Yeah, Sharmila Mataji, you can read, or whoever wants to read can.
Second one. O Gopinatha, you are my only hope, and therefore I have taken shelter at your lotus feet. I am now your eternal servant. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. So he says that I've taken I'm totally depending on you. So this is what Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, right? Sarma dharman parityagja mam ekam sharanam braja ham tvam sarva papebhyo moksha ikshame mascha, which means that I am totally surrendering to you at your lotus feet. Please take care of me. So that is what he's also telling in the last, towards the end. From the beginning he's saying that, but towards the end he says that I am totally dependent on you. So I would look upon your shelter. Next para.
O Gopinatha, how will you purify me? I do not know what devotion is, and my materialistic mind is absorbed in fruitive work. I have fallen into this dark and perilous worldly existence. Perilous. Hare
So
Krishna.
he's telling, yeah. So what is he telling? So the very simple song, simple meaning, but it is so close to heart, right? So he's saying that I have no idea what, where I'm stuck, how will you purify me? Because most of the time, this is what happens, right? We are chanting and we tell, oh, I'm not able to focus. I'm not able to focus. Should I reduce? Should I increase the quality of chanting, or should I focus on quantity? So the quality of chanting, if we take care of the basics, I'll keep the mobile away, not middle, I will not fidget with things, then that's all we can do. How much of control we can bring in the mind, we should leave it to Krishna. But the problem is so much used to us that we feel that we have to control everything. I'm not able to focus. I can't focus. It's me. Why are we involved about focusing? We only have to follow the protocol, right? So when we study, when we write A in LKG, we shiver, pen goes this side, pen goes that side, pen falls this side. Have we ever started cribbing, oh, I have to give up on writing LKG. I'm writing ABCD because it's very difficult for me. Because that's a toughest class, but we don't bother about all that, right? Simple mind, clear thinking. But as we grow bigger, taller, more energetic, we become so complicated because we want me. I want to control my mind. I cannot control my mind. Mind is a monkey. So the purification process, we have to leave it to Krishna. We will take care of protocol. We will not deliberately dream about someone. We will try, but our actual purification is taken care by Krishna. So he's saying, I do not know what devotion is. No idea, right? Actually, even we don't know. We think what we are doing is devotion, but are we really doing devotion? That is why Prabhupada actually says bhakti is devotional service. Can anyone tell me the difference between worship and devotion? Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Yes.
Mataji, worshipping is to pray to the Almighty, to the God, and devotion is to surrender totally to God.
Little more elaborate. Answer is right, but it is very at a superficial stage. People like me will find it very difficult to understand. But it's correct, but little more simpler.
Worshipping is, Mataji, like worshipping the opulence of someone. Like,
okay, of someone.
Devotion is out of love, Mata.
Okay, but we are also calling ourselves devotees, no Prabhu. Very nice answer. Little more.
No, I don't call myself a devotee, Mata. I'm a sadhaka right now.
Yeah, true. Sadhaka also is sadhaka devotee, no? So we are practicing.
Yeah.
Worship is to the demigods, and we can say,
yeah, close, very close.
Devotional service is to Krishna.
Very nice service. See, you nailed it. So devotional service, right? So that's why Prabhupada uses the word devotional service. Service is to Krishna. So that is whatever you're told is coming now, which we do even for someone whom we love, right? We have a child, we serve the child. We even have a cat or a dog, we actually serve the child, a dog or a cat, because that's where there is love. So where there is love, as Prabhu told, there is devotional service. And as you told, everything is inbuilt in devotional service. But worship can be anything. It can be hero worship. It can be community worship. It can be demigod worship. So worship can be even a devil worship, right? So it can be anything. Worship is could. So even, worship is more because either you want to get something, and mostly worship is transactional. And devotional service is more in terms of love. As Prabhu said, sadhaka, we still are not into devotional worship service completely. We are trying to move our thought from worship to devotion, slowly elevate to a pure devotee, right? Hare Krishna. So he says very clearly, I've fallen into this dark, perilous world existence. So I'm just in this peril. Peril means, you have this whirlpool, you keep on going up and down, and it's really dark because I'm just stuck in the materialistic, mind is stuck with materialism and absorbed in fruitive work, day in, day out, right? So how will you purify me? He's very clearly telling, how will you purify Krishna? Because very clearly he's understood, I can't purify. I think that is one thing which we have to understand, because every time we start putting blame on ourselves, I can't do it. For that matter, applies to me also, right? I was thinking, oh my God, I have to sing. How can I? I will never be able to even read the first line. Not that it was great, but just leave it to Krishna. So whatever you sing, what I can, I'll do. Let's give the best, right? From our side, what best we can do. Whatever strengths we have is what we can do. But we have to sincerely try our 100%, not compare with somebody and tell, oh, he's very nice, she's very nice, amazing. So that extreme eyes are bad. I am excellent, I am very pretty, I am excellent, I am very handsome, I am smart is also around I. I am bad, I am not capable, I am incapable of something, that is also I. Both are I. We have to get out of the I and focus on Krishna. Do we understand each other? Is my, whatever I'm talking, is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Sure. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna. Yeah, fourth para. Who's going to read the fourth para? Any Prabhus?
O Gopinatha, everything here is your illusory energy. I have no strength or transcendental knowledge, and this body of mine is not independent and free from the control of material nature.
Hare Krishna. So he says, oh Gopinatha, everything here, right? Whatever I see is Maya, right? I have no strength, very clearly surrendering, like what you told. Let's surrender. How do we surrender? Is to first accept that Maya is our boss. Most of the time we think we are the boss and Maya is our subordinate, and we don't even realize Maya. But we have to give credits, right? So I remember once when I was talking with Namnishta Prabhu, I was talking about ghosts and all in Bhakti Shastri class. And I was asking him why ghost planet is above. He said, because they are more powerful than us, right? So I was looking, he said, you have a doubt? That made me think, right? So most of the time, we actually do not even realize that something is more powerful than us. Though we may know it, we don't even realize. So here we have to really consciously take a call. Maya is more powerful. But should we be worried about Maya? Yes or no?
Yes, mother.
Yes,
Oh.
Mataji.
Very nice. We should be worried about Maya. And is there a solution or there's no solution?
There is.
Yes, there is a solution, mother. Yeah.
So what is the solution, Prabhu?
Surrendering to Lord.
Yeah, simple. So Maya is powerful or Krishna is powerful?
Both are equally powerful. Like,
So you're telling
it is
Maya
said-
and Krishna are in the same platform?
no, not in the
No,
same
no,
platform.
Mataji,
Maya is the
Krishna is
servant of Krishna, actually.
So they're not
But-
equally powerful. Krishna is very powerful. Maya is the servant of Krishna. And if you take possession or control over Maya, it is not possible because Maya is more powerful than us. So the easiest way is you go directly to Krishna and request Krishna, oh, Krishna, save me, which is what he's doing. Yes, Mataji. Mataji, you're saying something.
Yes, Mataji, Krishna is more powerful. Mataji, I'll give
Very
you an
good.
example as if we are the friends of Prime Minister or we are the friends of Prime Minister's assistant. So directly if we have a communication with the Prime Minister, so Maya is not going to affect us.
Very nice. Shruti, were you in my class in level 1, level 2, level 3? No?
Yes, Mataji, I attended
Yeah,
your
same
level
Shruti.
one.
No, I was thinking, it was an example which I give. I thought of telling, I'm happy to call that. Hare Krishna, Hari Bol.
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
So that's the same thing. So you are having a direct access to super boss, right? So very nice. Thank you so much. So that is a story, and free from the control of material nature. So naturally material nature is part of it and we are free. So on to 5.
O Gopinatha, this sinner who is weeping and weeping begs for an eternal place at your divine feet. Please give me your mercy.
Hare Krishna. Prabhu, can you just go to the shloka 1 second so that I can show them that also instead of just reading? Yeah. 5th. So he says, Gopinath niyata sharane stanya mage e pamara kandiya korehe karuna dana. Right? So you're so merciful. So back to the text too. So niyate, always niyate means how do I, my only thing is I'm such a sinner, niyate sinner, right? I'm going on crying, and I'm begging for eternal place at your divine feet. Sharane means, I'm totally surrendering. Please give me your mercy. So this is what he is telling. So it's just a story of request to the thing. So let's see still how much he is playing. 6th one. Can you read the 6th one? Then we'll read the thing. Mohandas Prabhu, you also read one. No?
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
O Gopinatha, you are able to do anything, and therefore you have the power to deliver all sinners. Who is there that is more of a sinner than myself? Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Hare Krishna, Prabhu. Very nice. So can you see such a humble thought, and we'll go back to shloka. So such a humble thought he has that he thinks he's the most sinful person. Patita Pavana, right? Patita Pavana means extreme sinners. Also, he will Patita. Chaitanya was called that because he will rescue the worst of sinner. So here he is telling he is the worst of all. So Gopinath, tumi to shakali paro, right? You are the deliverer. Om dureje tharine tomara shakkati, right? Ka ache papira aro. Ka ache. Who else is more papi? Papire aro means who else can be more sinful than me? And you are a deliverer of that. Hare Krishna. 7. Last 2. Whoever has not read can read. This is a way of purification.
Oh,
Yes,
Gopinatha. Oh, can I go ahead, Mataji?
Yes,
Sorry.
Mataji, please.
Sorry, thank
Please,
you.
please, dear.
Hare Krishna. Oh, Gopinatha, you are the ocean of mercy. Having come into this phenomenal world, you expand your divine pastimes for the sake of the fallen souls. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. So he says he's come with the ocean of mercy. You have come into this phenomenal world, right? So the world where we are, the material world, and you are exhibiting pastimes. So why is Krishna exhibiting pastimes generally? And why is he exhibiting pastimes in our Bhuloka?
Mataji, maybe because we can get a glimpse of what is actually happening in Goloka, and also to, make us more and more get connected with him.
Haribol, very nice. So basically trailer. Why do the movie they show trailer? Right? So that we get attracted and go and sit for 3 hours. Same thing Krishna is showing trailers, teasers, so that we'll get attracted and go there. Hare, permanently I'm like this only, come and enjoy with me. Gopinath, tumi kripa para bara. Right? Your love is so much, you're so courteous. Jivera karena, Ashia prapancha, Leela koile sabistara. Constantly you're doing Leela. Basically, your kripa is very high. You have such a fallen store. Please take me up. Hare Krishna. So not only me, all fallen souls, he is just representing. Hare Krishna. 8th one. Let me read. Anybody else want to read? Otherwise, I'm going for it. Anyone who's not read?
Yes, Mataji. May I read, Mataji?
Yeah, please go ahead. Yes.
O Gopinatha, I am so sinful that although all the demons attained your lotus feet, Bhakti Vinod has remained in worldly existence. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Very nice, no? So he's telling that everybody has reached, even demons. Tell me some demons who attained the lotus feet of Krishna.
Putana.
Very nice, Putana.
Mataji, Hiranyakashipu.
Hiranyakashipu, Hari bol. Anybody else? Only two? Anybody else?
Agasura, Shakatasura, Pralambasura.
Anybody who's seen Krishna has attained. So there's no doubt at all, right?
Kansa Mataji.
Kansa also, Shishupal also, very nice. Prabhu, Shloka, Hare Krishna. Gopinata Amiki Doshe Dosi. Of all sinners, right? Ashura Shakala, all Ashuras. Pailo Charana, they've gone and reached your lotus feet. We know that Thakilo Boshi. Except Vinoda Thakur, I'm only sitting here. Why is Vinoda Thakur sitting here? Prabhu, you can remove the screen share. Hare Krishna, Prabhu. Thank you so much. Why is he alone sitting here? Why is Vinoda Thakur, Bhakti Vinoda Thakur, Prabhupada, alone? Why is he stuck?
Mataji, because he is presently on this earth and he is feeling that he's still in that, peril of that death.
But why is he stuck here? Why is Krishna not taken him?
He's come to deliver people like us.
Haribol, exactly. He's come to deliver. So he's come to deliver thanks to him, because he's come to deliver us and therefore he's stuck here, right? But he's just singing on behalf of not just him, but for all of us, so that when we sing, we will have that bhav. And look how humble he is. And thanks to Mohandas Prabhu to send these pictures, so we can all enjoy the darshan of the deities, right? So all these are Chaupati, Gopinath Ji Temple, Jaipur, all of them represent, and Vrindavan already I had showed. The one in my DTC. Now I will remove myself so you can see. Right? I hope you all had the darshan. So thank you so much. Vancha kalpatarubhyasya kripa sindhubhya evacha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namaha anantakoti vaishnavijay Srila Prabhupada ki jai Namacharya Haridas Thakur ki jai. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna
Hare
Krishna.
Krishna, Hare Hare.
Ram Ram,
Hare Ram.
Hare Krishna. Any doubts so far? Otherwise, sorry, I had to extend the class by about 10 minutes. We waited for some time. So is there any other doubts? Otherwise, we'll end the session. No doubts? Hare Krishna. So we will
Hare
meet
Krishna.
every Sunday at 12 o'clock. We have Vaishnav bhajan followed by explanation. There will be some senior Vaishnavas who will come and take. There will be, maybe I will also be back sometime or the other with Krishna's grace, and we'll meet again. Hare Krishna. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much,
Mataji.
Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
So much, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.